Hey guys, we are packing our bags right now to head to Georgia. We are going to spend the next 2 nights in Georgia. We are driving down there as soon as we get our bags packed. Wade is walking Remy and McAllister is getting his stuff together, and we are going to be hitting the road. We've got a 4-hour drive ahead of us, and that doesn't include stops there in that area of Georgia that we're going to be staying. It's Eastern Standard Time, so we'll lose that hour. So I've got to get our bags packed. Wade has already got a couple of things right there, and he's got all of his toiletries out with some of mine that I've got to get organized and get packed. I just left work, so I've been there all day, and it's a little after 2, so I'm gonna try to get us on the road by 3 or 3:30. Let's see what we can do. I barely got that suitcase zipped up, so I've got this cute St. Jude duffel that we've never used. We got for fundraising last year, and I'm gonna try to get my 3 sweaters, 2 blue jeans, and like a couple of other things in here. So let's see. I love you very much. Bye, baby. Alright guys, it is 3:30 and we are on the road. Okay, it is 4:51 and I have to use the restroom. So, Wade's gonna get gas and I'm gonna run in real quick. So. Okay, so we've made it through Birmingham. Wasn't too bad, was it, babe?
Nope. All the construction work from the last time we drove there is done.
So I didn't tell you guys, we was trying to get it on camera, but there was goats on the side of the street whenever we stopped at the Pilot. I don't even know where it was, but in Jasper. We stopped at a Pilot off of the road, and there was like 4 goats randomly on the side of right in front of the Pilot. Anyways, I didn't get it on camera, but whenever we was leaving, I tried. Of course, they ran across the street in front of a bunch of cars, and then by the time that we got past them, they were just like trotting down some little alley. I don't know. It was really funny, really cute, but yeah, we missed it. Wade said we missed it because I got some coffee, but I tried to do it all. Anyways, we are gonna keep driving. We shouldn't. Honestly, we're not making bad time. Yeah, I keep forgetting because we never really drive to Atlanta to just go to Atlanta anymore. Normally Atlanta's like the halfway mark, or a little bit less than the halfway mark, because we normally are driving to Orlando, but that's not what we're doing today. I keep forgetting. So we don't really have much time left in the car, but check this out. The bridges amaze me, and all of the hills, because we live basically in flatland, unless you like go to Oxford, which is really not that hilly either. closer to Alabama. Okay guys, this is kind of fascinating to us because we've never been,
And we
but
didn't know there was one this way.
yeah, so it must be new within the past 2 years because we haven't been here in almost 2 years. But
Buc-ee's.
there's a Buc-ee's, and I thought it was called Busey's, so don't yell at me. But Wade and I have been arguing over it for a while now. You can kind of see it. Somebody's in front of us now, but you see it, so the sign. Looky, looky, we are in Georgia now. Yay! It is starting to get dark.
I'm just gonna get out and stand. Probably call Chris.
Alright, so we just made it into Georgia, and Wade's so nice. We are at a rest stop. I've got to use the restroom. They're going to stretch, and then we are going to get to it. I think we're like less than an hour away. Alright guys, it's like 7:34. Well, I guess 8:34 because the time has changed. We just got to our hotel and checked in. We're about to take our luggage and stuff inside, and then I think we're gonna meet up with Chris. He's meeting us here for the next couple of days to hang out with us at Six Flags, and I think we're gonna go find some food. I really have no idea. I don't know what's around. We did see a Wendy's, but I don't know, so we will see. I'm not too sure about this hotel. We booked it just wanting to be really close to the park. And it had pretty decent reviews, and normally I stick with what I know. Didn't really know anything around here, and it smells like pure smoke on the inside. We're supposed to have a non-smoking room, so hopefully our room doesn't smell like that because I can smell it straight through the mask. That's lovely. So anyways, we're gonna go check it out. I'll let you guys know what we think. Alright guys, so our room is actually, there's Wade. Not that bad. It doesn't smell like smoke in here, so that is a plus. And for as close as we are to the park and what we wanted, this is okay with me. Also, when we pulled up, I saw roller coasters, so let's see if we can see them outside. Can you see them?
No.
No? Why don't you move?
Wait.
Look. I also don't know how to work it. Oh, well, good thing we weren't counting on the pool because it's not open.
I was going to do all that, and I was like, too lazy right now. I'm in Newcastle. I don't know what time to do. Newcastle, tear.
You said the number one. What do you want?
Dr. Pepper.
Hello.
Chick-fil-A pickles are so far.
I don't eat pickles, so thank you much. There we go.
We got
We could kind of give us this.
Wendy's.
Wearing a mask.
There's pickles.
This feels
Yay!